Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss simple clinical clues to the diagnosis of 10 primary immunodeficiency diseases. First, primary immunodeficiency. Clinical clues include type of infection, pneumonia or diarrhea, cryptosporidiosis, and disseminated BCG infection. Age at presentation, first few months of life. Associated findings: failure to thrive, rash, atrophic tonsils, and lymph nodes. All these clinical clues point to the diagnosis of severe combined immunodeficiency. Second condition: type of infection, pneumonia, and pyogenic infection, especially Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae. Age at presentation 4 to 6 months. Associated findings: only boys are affected and failure to thrive. And the likely etiology is X-linked A-gamma globulinemia. Now number 3. Type of infection is diarrhea and cyanopulmonary infections, often pyogenic, caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae. Age at presentation, later childhood, usually more than 5 to 10-year-old children. Associated findings include hepatosplenomegaly and lymphadenopathy. Now these clues indicate common variable immunodeficiency. Number 4. Type of infection: recurrent staphylococcal cold abscesses and pneumonia, often with pneumatocele. Age at presentation, any age. Associated findings: coarse facial features and eczematous rash. And the diagnosis is hyperimmunoglobulin E syndrome. Now the fifth condition. Type of infection: recurrent or persistent giardiasis. Age at presentation, any age. Associated finding: autoimmune diseases. With all these clues, likely etiology is immunoglobulin A deficiency. Now sixth, immunodeficiency. Now the type of infection: recurrent staphylococcal infections of the lung, skin or bone, persistent fungal, especially Aspergillus pneumonia, and liver abscess. Age at presentation, usually early childhood. Associated findings: lymphadenopathy, draining lymph nodes, and hepatosplenomegaly. And the likely etiology is chronic granulomatous disease. Now seventh, immunodeficiency. Type of infection: pyogenic bacteria, especially Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenzae. Age at presentation 4 to 6 months. Likely etiology: deficiency in early complement components. Number 8. Type of infection is recurrent Neisseria infections, for example meningitis. And the likely etiology is deficiency in late complement components. Now ninth, immunodeficiency. Type of infection is recurrent infections. Age at presentation is early infancy. Associated findings: boys, atypical eczema, and thrombocytopenia. And the likely etiology is Wiskott-Aldrich syndrome. And the 10th, immunodeficiency. Type of infection: recurrent bacterial infections, for example pneumonia. Associated findings: progressive ataxia and telangiectasia. And the diagnosis is ataxia telangiectasia. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.